Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing. There's two different boxes. This is the smaller one. They do have a deluxe that has, I think, twice as many snacks and then a few extras than what comes in this one. So this is my October box. What's a ghost's favorite treat? Blueberries. That's so funny. So, love the subscription because I love food and it always has such good stuff in here. So we actually got a sample of coffee this time. Pour over coffee. Oak chocolate honey, medium roast. So I did get some of these in a different box. I haven't tried them yet. You kind of like pop it up in the cup and then you pour the water in. So I'm definitely going to get around to trying it. Just haven't done it yet. But I see one for my kiddos. Yum Earth Organic Gummy Fruits. Little Halloween ones. I'm going to save that for Jackson's lunch. I give him a treat every Friday in his lunchbox, so this will be his treat this Friday since it's Halloween theme and it's almost Halloween. Ooh, and then we got a bonus item. Hello Natural Whitening Toothpaste, Farm Grown Mint. I've definitely had lots of samples of this, I think from like Target boxes and stuff like that, but I like it. So that's really cool that we got a little bonus one, and I haven't tried the Farm Grown Mint one. It says it has tea tree and coconut oil in it. So that's cool. These are delicious, had these before. Apple flavor, Simply Wholesome Oatmeal Bar. 8 grams of whole grains, all natural flavors, no preservatives, and it's a soft bake. Looks like we also got another one of those coffees, so we got 2 of those. We got some Off the Eaten Path Veggie Puffs, sour cream and onion flavored. I think Raylan might eat those, so that's awesome. And all their stuff, I don't know if all of it is, at least most of it is organic, if not all of it. So a little bit healthier snacks. We also have some Cranberry Trail mix, which I love trail mix. These I have had before, almond rice pops with blueberries, and those are really good. And we just actually got back from vacation, and I brought a lot of these snacks from last month along with us. Then we have a Kind Bar, dark chocolate and oats. And it feels like there's like 2 bars in there, 2 like thin ones. So I bet that's delicious. Then we also have coupons and advertisements at the bottom. So I don't leave the house to work anymore, but I used to, and here's a coupon. I used to always take these with me for work, so I love that. But now that I work from home, just keep them in my little snack drawer in the kitchen, use them for the kids, take them with me when we go out places, because you know they're always hungry, even though they just ate, and then save them for vacation too. So I love this subscription, super cheap and affordable, and if you'd like to join, I'll put my link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.